What's up, YouTube? Welcome to the Credit Plug channel where we talk about how to build credit, how to establish relationships with banks and financial institutions, and most importantly, how to get you access to high limit credit funding. If that's something you like to listen to, then we definitely welcome you to subscribe. Otherwise, you can support our channel if you like, share, or even comment down below. It helps our content get out to a wider audience, and we definitely appreciate it. As a reminder, don't forget to hit that notification bell so you get the latest alerts and notifications on all of our content. So for today's video, we have another special business credit product review. This time around, it's the Hatch Visa Business Line of Credit. Now, this is a unique product. It's another one of these products that it's not looking at your personal credit scores in order to qualify you. You qualify based on your banking data and banking activity. So you basically would just connect through the Plaid or Plaid platform. They'll analyze your banking activity and then provide you with a limit on the business line of credit. Now, the Hatch Visa Business Line of Credit is backed by Sutton Bank, that also has a couple other products that they underwrite out on the market as well. But essentially, what you do is you would sign up through the application, enter all your business information, and then connect your bank accounts. And you can connect multiple bank accounts, so it's not like just one bank account. Now, I would kind of, compare this in a sense to like a grain where, it's looking at your banking activity. And then once you submit the application, you will have to provide your social security number for identity verification purposes, but it's not doing a hard pull on your personal credit, which is a great thing. And usually you'll get a decision within 1 to 2 business days, so it's not an immediate decision. So that's just one thing you have to keep in mind. But the application process is pretty straightforward. You could probably fill that out within 10 minutes or so. One of the things, though, about this particular Hatch Visa Business Line of Credit is that currently it's not available in every state. So the current states are Arizona, Colorado, Hawaii, Idaho, Michigan, Nevada, Pennsylvania, South Carolina, Texas, Utah, Washington, and Wisconsin. However, they are working on being able to provide this in a variety of other states. So eventually they will be in every state, but for right now, they're only in a select number of states. So just keep that in mind. And then if it's not currently in your state, you can join a wait list. I'll post the link in the description for you to get on that wait list if they don't currently offer it in your state. And then, yeah, but this is a very, very good product, I would say, especially, and it's really geared towards startup businesses, and their mission is really, being able to provide capital to businesses, small business owners who traditionally don't have access to, like the, commercial lending and things like that. So that's kind of really their niche. The credit lines go up to $5,000. That's the most that they currently go up to. So, this may not be a viable, option for everyone. Obviously, you're not going to get a crazy high limit, but one of the things that's really great about this, and this is a trend that you'll see a lot more. I did a video with the CEO of Tilful, and just talking about how institutions now are adopting this new approach, not looking into your past credit, looking at trade lines and things like that to assess your credit worthiness, but rather looking at your current banking activity, because that's going to give them much more insight into how you're managing your money as of right now. So I'm actually a huge fan of this approach, analyzing banking data and, other more up-to-date information to determine a credit decision, because you can get access to credit a lot easier and a lot faster than the traditional way of having to build credit for years and years and years before you actually have access to the funds that you would need. So definitely expect to see a lot more of this going forward. And they also use the platform as I specified. So, like I said, you could connect multiple bank accounts, so that'll just increase the chances of you getting a higher limit. And yeah, so one of the disadvantages I would say is that currently the Hatch Visa Business Line of Credit does not report to any of the business credit reporting agencies. I believe that's something that they're working on, but as of now, they do not report. So, in terms of building business credit, this isn't really going to help you with that, at least for right now. But in the future, they may start to report this to the business credit agencies and things like that. So, but yeah, I mean, from what it looks like, this seems to be a decent credit product. I'm a big fan of no credit checks, so it's not adversely affecting your personal credit, which is probably one of the best benefits. And then people who may have lower credit profiles, but you might have a viable business that's transacting and bringing in revenue, then you could definitely take advantage of your banking data in order to get you qualified. And again, it's not available in every state just yet. There's a waiting list, so I'll post a link in the description of the video. And then, yeah, I mean, otherwise, I think it's a decent product. So definitely check it out. If there's anyone who has any experience with the Hatch Visa Business Line of Credit, definitely let us know what your thoughts and opinions or experiences with the business line of credit is so far. Until next time, y'all take it easy, and we'll talk to you soon. Peace.